Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really special because here we've got the Chris Reeve collaboration with Shirogorov Knives UniHati for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So this is a brown box, of course. It's a special edition. It's not like the classic black box that Shirogorov is just delivering their knives in, and because it's a collaboration. So special edition, Shirogorov Chris Reeve Knives, they created this series of pretty mesmerizing knives. This is based on the Hati, which is a frame lock with carbon fiber scale, and this is the collaboration with Shirogorov, and you can see, of course, this guy comes with the COA and all the informations about this beauty. And this is based on the Hati frame lock with the carbon fiber scale, but this one has Alutex scale, different material, with some titanium anodized work, like custom graphic, unique. Each one is unique, I mean, and you also have an inlay on the back. Also Alutex. In this case, this guy is purple because there's several colors and 10 made of each color. The overall length of this guy is going to be 8.75 inches with a 3.75 inch long blade and I would say like around 5-inch long handle. It's not a cheap one. It sells for around $1,700–$1,800 made in Russia. It's a beautiful titanium frame lock with this gorgeously designed drop point blade. In this case here, it's rocking a Vanax 37 super clean steel, as a dual finished titanium pocket clip, fantastic inlays on the back. You've got the Shirogorov logo here, the Chris Reeve Knives logo here, titanium back spacer, I mean captive pivot, dual tone finish blade. You've got some stone wash going on the primary bevel and satin flats. Would you look at this beauty? This guy is rolling on roller bearings, and you can see the action is just this gorgeous. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.